So we're gonna start off. We just picked this little point here. Got plenty of structure around, plenty of trees. Just dropped the active target down. We can see a fair bit of activity underneath us, which is really good. So we're gonna kick off with the old faithful yellow belly lure, which is the old Jackall. So we've got the little TN50 here. It's a little black silent one, so no noise in this whatsoever. I'll put that out there and see whether we might be able to chase one down. It's got plenty of structure here, and sort of 3-4 meters of water. Seeing plenty of sort of activity on the active target just below us here. So just putting that Jackall down, letting it hit the bottom. Just a really slow retrieve. We've got sort of plenty of sucklings and that sort of just sitting underneath the surface, so just a case of working through that. Oh, I'm on first go and a little ready. First cast, that was exciting. Got the blood going. There we go. Little ready, taking that little Jackall. Actually scared the shit out of me. Just don't always expect to get one on the first cast. Anyway, bit of fun. Get him off back in there. A couple of good fish just holding next to this tree here. Oh, got a fish coming up, had a look. Isn't too keen. Oh, nice little ready. Taking that little Barkley grub. See plenty of reddies around. So this is sort of a really good sort of yellow belly spot to sort of focus on. We've got a sort of shallow start, but a really sort of steep drop off here. Plenty of rock beds, but as I've sort of worked along here, I can see plenty of sort of weed sort of coming through those rocks, and it's generally where you'll see yellow belly sort of hiding in amongst the rocks, in amongst those weeds, and looking to sort of ambush bait. Seeing, and you can just see there, plenty of sort of bait fish sort of rising as well, so ideal spot to sort of focus on for a bit and see whether we might be able to get a yellow out of here. And just trying to, don't have to be right on the bottom, sort of, you know, we're sort of sitting and fishing sort of 2 to 3 meters of water here, sort of just keeping it a meter off the bottom. And sort of finding the majority of the times where I do see a hook up on the active target, the fish have sort of come underneath, or I've striked them just as I'm bringing the lure up to the top of the boat. Especially when I'm casting. Obviously a little bit different when you're fishing vertically or you're sitting on top of them. Seeing plenty of bait fish around. Plenty of bait balls. Plenty of sort of reddies, so there's plenty of activity out here, which is always a good sign. Oh, got a good fish chasing here. Yeah, got him. Yeah, I saw him come out of those bushes as I sort of just dropped that down, and I reckon this is a good yellow. He just came out and grabbed that. Yeah, just working the shallows along here, and I just saw him come out of those bushes there just underneath us, and we've got a good yellow here. Ripper. In the boat, it's a nice little one. Oh, he's got a bit of fight about him. It is good fun. There we go. Good stuff. So there you go, guys. A nice yellow belly. He just went 41 centimetres. Yeah, just picked him up in the shallows, just in the weeds here, just off the rocks. Beautiful. Nice yellow belly. We'll get him back in the water. So there you have it, guys, a quick successful session out at Lake Eppalock. Hope you enjoyed the vid. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and if you've got any comments, I'd really appreciate if you've dropped them below. We're 14 months in to the channel, just hit the 750 subscribers, so 3/4 of the way there on hitting that magical 1,000 mark. So I just wanted to take this opportunity to just thank everyone for their support, everyone out there in the YouTube community for their comments. Really appreciate it. And if you're yet to subscribe, enjoying the content, please hit that subscribe button. So thanks once again, and I hope to see you out in the water soon. Cheers.